Watch how easy it is to make a self-grading assignment. I'm going to number the columns, but I'm not going to number them all. Let's take the shortcut. Let's just click and drag. Then I need to have my questions. So I'll put question 1 here, answer 1 here. I'm going to change the font of everything quick. So I'm clicking this box up here in the top. And I'll make the font a little bit larger. Oops, that did 8 instead of 18. And then I like to have everything centered. There we go. I'm going to make this column a bit wider, the answer column a bit wider. All right, I'm going to add a second sheet. This is where my answers will be hidden. All right, I'm going to choose a cell over here. This is where I'm going to hide my answers. Okay, I did extra answers. I don't really need that many. And then the cell next to it is where I'm going to put my images of a star. I'll go with this one. This is one of my favorite colors. I'm just gonna click and drag to duplicate that. Then I'm going to go back here and I'm going to insert an equation. So if the student's answer in cell C1 is equal to that hidden answer on the equations tab in cell K31, then I want that picture from that same tab to appear. It's in cell L31, and if not, I want it to be left blank. All right, so if I were to take that away, the star disappears. And then watch this. I'm just going to highlight all of those, click and drag. Voila! That was so easy.